The 1954-56 GMC Greyhound PD-4501 wasn't just a bus, it was an icon of American post-war ambition, a twin-engine marvel that turned highways into symbols of freedom and futuristic design. Built by General Motors specifically for Greyhound, the Scenicruiser was designed to redefine travel with unprecedented comfort, power, and visual drama. Its signature design featured a split-level passenger layout, with panoramic windows on the upper deck that gave travelers sweeping views of the American landscape. Underneath this bold exterior was an equally unconventional powertrain to GM 471, inline-4 diesel engines mounted side by side, each producing around 160 horsepower. For a combined total of approximately 320 horsepower, the engines powered a 4-speed manual transmission through a complex coupling system that was innovative, though notoriously difficult to maintain. Stretching nearly 40 feet in length and seating up to 43 passengers, the PD-4501 was a heavy and commanding presence on the road. Its air suspension system offered smoother rides compared to rival buses of its time, like the FL Cybele Starliner or the ACF Brill models. Where those competitors focused on simplicity and cost efficiency, the Scenicruiser doubled down on boldness and engineering sophistication. However, the twin-engine setup, while powerful, became a technical liability. It was expensive to service, challenging to synchronize, and required specially trained mechanics. By the early 1960s, most Scenicruisers were retrofitted with a single Detroit diesel 8V71 engine to improve reliability, marking the end of the twin-engine experiment. Despite its mechanical quirks, the Scenicruiser's historical significance cannot be overstated. It became the rolling face of Greyhound, appearing in ads, movies, and roadside memories across America. The design of the PD-4501 even inspired generations of coach builders and laid groundwork for modern long-haul bus comfort. It captured the imagination of a country on the move, symbolizing progress, unity, and the open road. In terms of future relevance, the Scenicruiser's legacy might find new life as a design inspiration for luxury, electric coaches, or retro-themed travel experiences. As companies look to electrify the transportation sector, the iconic look and lounge-style interior layout could be reimagined with battery-electric drivetrains, autonomous navigation systems, and connected passenger features. With rising interest in nostalgic aesthetics and sustainable transport, a neo-Scenicruiser could serve as a mobile monument to both past ingenuity and future innovation. Though the original PD-4501 was eventually phased out, its boldness in design and vision still echoes in the transportation world, reminding us that daring ideas, even flawed ones, pave the way for future revolutions.